Okay, so this is a typical one. So what you see is question 1, they've got 5 words that they put in the past tense. So they're getting these. You'll see that these are probably all correct, and they've got these quite well. Problems come when they come to this question 2. It's 14 points. I have to change this. 14 points because it should be, it's 20 altogether, and I give them 1 point for taking the quiz, so it's really, you're giving from 19. So they're supposed to choose one of these verbs and put it in here in the past tense. And then they're supposed to write this whole sentence again in B, but put it in the past tense negative. Here, so you was saying a mascot is a kind of toy because the name sound like a duck quacking. So this one, she's got the past tense here, but it's the wrong past tense, so you'll have the answer, so that's easy enough. So you were saying a mascot is a kind of toy because the name sounded, she should have an ED there, sounded like a duck quacking. And then she put wasn't say there, that's wrong. It should be didn't, you didn't say. Okay, so people liked the company because of that duck, and the users encouraged it a lot, and so did many. So this is like, so this is correct, this one, and then people did not like, which is correct, but she hasn't got this one, did not encourage. So she's scored 0 on the second. So there are 2 points each, I should add. And then fun, colourful charities encouraged people to share. So about them, and both young and older people really, like, she's got the wrong words here, and you'll see that from the answer sheet that she's got the wrong words. And then she's got didn't encourage, so that's also wrong because it's the wrong words. So all she's got here right is this one, liked and encouraged. So you have to also write the right answers for them, and copy paste their wrong answers into the box. So for example, for this one you would just copy that, Control C. And then you can put the right answer, and I usually put it in a bold type, so you'll be able to see the right answer. So okay, and then the second part of that, she's got wrong, she's got the sound, she hasn't added the ED at all. I put a few words before and after just so you know they can see it easily. Hold on. Okay, so it, you know, it doesn't have to match up there, but it's still number 1, so that's okay. So this comes out of the font there, and then you can put in the right one in the bold type. Sometimes I put in where the mistake was like that. And then you're on to number 2. So number 2 she is correct. It might be even easier to, some of them have so many errors, it's just easier to put. So it takes so much time going through these. Now number 3, the fun, colourful carriage encourage people. Right, she's got the wrong words here, so you can just copy it all, and you can start off by saying incorrect. Just you can copy hers, and then below that you can put the right words, and I'll have that on the sheet. So fun characters, fun, colourful characters, they so she has one right here, sorry, it's encouraged at the beginning. Encourage people to talk about them, and both young and older people really liked them, I think it is. Yeah, like them. So encouraged is right. I mean, if you want, I think there's a tick sign somewhere here if you want to find it. Doesn't matter. Or sometimes I put a smiley face and it goes into, you know, instead of a right sign. Just make it a different color. Something like that. Usually they go into a face. We can put this one. People to, and that, so you can put down here is 1 is correct. 2 is people to talk about them. 3 is really like. Now, sometimes I actually realise in doing this, I think talk is the only one that can work there. Yes, it is. She's not got it at all. So when you come to grading this, you've got 5, and then she's got 1, right, so 5 in each of these sentences are 2, so 1 for, no, wait a minute, each of these sentences are 4, so it's 2 points for each one. So none for that one. So 5 and 2 is 7. I'm giving that one, although it's not the right answer, but it actually makes sense, okay. And 2 is 9, and 2 is 11. So it's 11 from 28 in her case. I'm going to put in 11, but I have to change that, sorry, to 19. 19 is 6 points. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I'll do another one for you. I'll send another quick video. I'm sorry it's a bit long, but it takes a lot to explain this, and it takes so much time to read it. So then I click Save and Next.